Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the Pop-Tart Lee in excited mode because I have not only got a Star Wars pop, it's an exclusive pop, and it's come my way courtesy of Poptimus UK all the way from America. Thank you Daz again for sorting me out, as you always do with any of the exclusives which I might struggle to get. I may have mentioned in other videos, I probably did, that there was 5 pops when the list came out for San Diego Comic Con. I was like, okay, yeah, they're the ones I wanted. I've never got all of the pops I wanted before, and up to now I haven't this time either, but they're all ordered in one form or another. So this one is the 4th one I've managed to get, courtesy of Daz, and it is awesome. It is the Sith Jet Trooper. San Diego Comic Con exclusive, number 383, and it's from Star Wars Rise of Skywalker. So obviously I've mentioned before in other videos that, there you go Dale, never forget you mate, that I was hoping for more of a range from that film. There's a lot of creatures that I thought could have had pops. I know they've just done the New York Comic Con releases, and there's a couple Luke and Leia training pops that look alright. But this one, I've purposely avoided buying any of the troopers from this film in the hope that there would be more and then I could backtrack and pick up the ones I wanted. And this was the case with this one. So I haven't actually picked up any Sith Troopers at all. I know this is the white version. I'm not even sure 100% what it's called. Does it say on the back of this? First Order Jet Trooper was the other one, and then I'll try and show you there. It's quite small. Sith Jet Trooper, which is that one. So I don't know that there's a massive difference between the two, apart from with this exclusive. And I mean, this is where it's really cool. So this one is stuck in box. Wow, that's really tight, the box. This one is in flight, so he's got the jet streams at the back there. But that is awesome. I really like that. Only other time I've got a pop like this where it is kind of got the jet streams is with the Boba Fett, which was a Smuggler's Bounty exclusive. He's in the cupboard. I'm trying to put the top up there. I'll put a picture of that in so you can see it. But I just think that's a really cool effect. I mean, it's a good pop, bobbling away like they do for the Star Wars ones. But some real cool detail. The insignia is on the back. It's got the gun. So these helmets, love helmet, I say it all the time. The helmet's really good. I'm trying to hold under the spring as you can see. But these new ones with the Sith ones, they almost have like a horn kind of effect there. The visor they look through, really small. But overall, that's really cool. I like the pose of it as well, the way that the legs are bent. So it's not just lazy that they've just slapped this on the back. There's like some thought going into kind of like a flight pose kind of thing. But that one's really cool. Like I said, 4 out of 5. There's one more San Diego Comic Con one to come, which with New York Comic Con around the corner seems daft. I'm not going to go into which one it is. I might have a rant about it in a later video if it doesn't come about, but still waiting for one more to come. So that's that one anyway. That is the Sith Jet Trooper. I'm really pleased with that. I think that's really cool. I know that Daz got me this one from the US. I know it's now coming to Forbidden Planet. I don't know when, but I would recommend you add that one to your collection if you can, if you're a Star Wars fan like I am. So, usual, let me know in the comments. Let's think of a question for today. What did you think of Rise of Skywalker? I know it's been out a while. I liked it. I enjoyed it. I don't think it's a classic Star Wars film. I don't think it's a film that in years to go, that go on and on, you'll be looking back and watching again and again and again. But I enjoyed it, and at the end of the day, that's what cinema's about, is enjoying films. But nothing touches the original trilogy for me, nothing ever will. I think that's it. Yeah, let's wrap this one up with the usual like, comment, share. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I do more of this kind of crap, so if you enjoyed it so far and you've stuck around till this point, chances are you might like some of the other stuff. So if you'll do that, notification bell, I always get to point, I've noticed that. When I say notification bell, there's nothing up there. Don't know what I'm pointing at. And until the next one, guys, check out the links in the description for Daz, Poptimus UK. Check out his coffee club on Saturday mornings, 10:30 on Instagram. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Bye.